Hello and welcome to Excalibur. In this video, I will show you different ways how we can concatenate two strings, or maybe you can say join two strings. So let's say in this column B here, I have this text called Sachin, and in column C, I have this text called Gupta, and I want to join these two texts. So there could be different ways. So the first and the simplest way is that you select the first text and then use the ampersand sign and then select the second text. So B3 and C3, press the enter key. You see that the text is joined. Now in case you want to join the text, but you also need a space in between, because this is, you see, in continuation. So what you can do is you can modify the formula. So here we'll do a double quotes, space, then double quotes, and another end. So what we are trying to do here is we have inserted a space and we have concatenated or joined using this ampersand these three things: B3, space, and then C3. And now if you press the enter key, you see that there is a space which is created between Sachin and Gupta. Alright, now let's see the second way. So for the second way, there is a direct formula which if you type equals to and start typing, so this is the formula: concatenate, and here you have to choose the first text, then the second text, and then close the bracket. So you can also choose multiple texts, like separate them with commas, and or like if there are more strings than two, then also these can be joined. Now here also we see the same issue, that there is no gap between them. So if you want to insert a gap, so you will have to insert a space here and then give another comma. So basically this space is the second string in this case, and press the enter key. Oh sorry, uh, yeah, so for this you have to actually give a space using the double quotes. Yeah, so that's the correct way, and now you see that you get the desired result. So I hope this will be helpful for you. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.